You can only create what you can imagine. In the year 2020, mobile media and communication has radically transformed the economy and our daily living unimaginable in an earlier age. Everyone has access to information on his mobile devices and contributes to the community. However, the media as you know it has exceeded to exist. Mobile has turned the world into a global information hub and has opened radical new business opportunities. The 21st century has unclosed the power of the information age, looking back to a not-so-distant past. The road to mobile media revolution started at the beginning of the 20th century. 1906, the first US patent for a wireless phone was registered. 1973, the first mobile phone call was placed in New York City. 1979, the first commercial mobile phones were presented in Tokyo. 1982, Nokia introduced its first portable phone. 1991, the first GSM network opened in Finland. 1998, the first mobile content, a ringtone, was sold. 1999, the BlackBerry was introduced, starting the era of mobile email. 2001, the third generation of mobile phones was launched in Japan. 2007, we reached over 3 billion mobile phone subscribers. The introduction of the iPhone is the start of the touch device era. 2008, over 1 billion people have access to the internet, while 600 million people have access to the web through their mobile handset. 2009, the social network Facebook welcomed its 200 millionth user, while Twitter has become a mass phenomenon. We reached over 4 billion mobile phone subscribers. 2010, the offline and online worlds are getting closer. Mixed reality is enriching the mobile experience. 2011, built-in sensors like GPS, temperature, humidity, light or compass chips create new mobile business ecosystems, the sense economy. 2012, we reached the barrier of 1 trillion network devices. Machine-to-machine communication, smart objects, ubiquitous computing create the Internet of Things. 2013 is the year of mobile broadband. LTE is offering up to 50 megabytes of network capacity for each user. People are living in the smart cloud. 2014, India, Africa and other emerging markets have reached 70% penetration rates. 2015, mobile payment is becoming a mass phenomenon, driven by near-field communication. Devices are adapting to our lifestyles and environments. It's the start of the physical personal device. Nanotechnologies enable physical transformation according to their use and complete personalization in the process. 2016, the New York Times stops the delivery of printed newspapers and offers e-paper readers for $1. News Corporation, Burda, Springer and other publishing companies follow in 2017. Everyone reads the news on plastic paper and updates it on the go. 2017 is the climax of the mobile economy boom. The market of mobile media is bigger than all the other media channels together. This year, the introduction of multi-language with instant translation is bringing down the global information barriers for text and voice communication. 2018, the US government starts an initiative to increase mobile public security, the Mobile Agenda. The location and mobile data streams of each person will be tracked, analyzed and saved. We reach more than 8 billion people worldwide. 5 billion have a mobile phone, 2.5 billion including mobile internet access. The generation of digital natives has entered the business world. 2019, privacy, information access and control have become essential issues in the world's economy. Cybersecurity has become one of the most critical issues. In the year 2020, our world of mobile media is disruptive, engaging, interactive and controversial, but truly international. It is up to you how our future will look like. Don't lean back, be active and shape the environment of the future of mobile media and communication. MoCom 2020 is an open think tank to envision the future of mobile media and communication. Join the conversation at mocom2020.com.